Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Laura Wilkie with Down Home with Lemon Pie, and I am so excited to share with you guys our new vehicle. Alright guys, welcome back. If you're brand new to my channel, I am a Christian stay-at-home homeschool mom. I have 6 kids, 1 more on the way. That makes 7, and yeah, we had to upgrade our vehicle and we are so excited. We literally had a Suburban that was falling apart around us. I know that we have a lot of people and we have a lot of young kids, and so it would make sense that there's a lot of wear and tear. But that vehicle is just not made well. It seriously was just falling apart around us. And when you get online and you start doing some research, you find out that lots of other people with a lot less kids or no kids or whatever, were having a lot of the same issues. So because of that, and also because we were adding a new baby and would no longer fit in the vehicle, we had to upgrade, and we are so excited to have found the car that we were hoping to find. We purchased a 2-year-old NISSAN NV, and we are so excited. It is actually such a bigger blessing than we thought it was gonna be. It is so nice, so big, so roomy. My husband has worked really hard kind of cleaning it up, making it really fresh for us, so we're excited about that. And yeah, I just wanted to share it with you guys because it's just been another journey in our lives. It's just another step, and yeah, so like when we had the Suburban, when we purchased our Suburban when we had 2 kids, and then shortly thereafter we were pregnant with our 3rd. And it was way too big a car for the family that we had. I don't know what we were thinking. So we had this crazy big car that was way too big for us. But it was good because we grew into it. We added our 4th child, then we had twins, and we had to take out the 2 bucket seats in the middle row and turn them into, get the long seat so that we could fit everybody, so we could fit all 6 kids. But now that was all that we were tapped out. That was it. It would only fit the 6 kids plus us 2. And it was kind of a bummer because it was okay for just going around. My husband would use his truck during the day, so it wasn't a big deal. But when we were all together, we were outgrowing it really fast. And parts of it, like I said, were literally falling apart around us. Things were like, in the door panels were falling apart. The things were getting cracked that shouldn't have been. It was just not good. And then right before, probably about 6 or 8 months ago, we realized we were gonna have to rebuild the engine. It was just such a disappointment. But we were kind of excited to get a new vehicle. So this vehicle has been such a blessing because it was literally a God thing. God helped us to find it. We've been praying about it. The kids have been praying about it. Our church family had been praying about it. And they quit making them this year. So they weren't even in production. And then the ones that were still like in mid-production weren't even available because of all the stuff that's going on with COVID. So it was crazy. But all of the people who were selling them were selling them for such a high price. They were raising the prices, kind of price gouging them, because they weren't available anywhere else to get them. So it was a huge disappointment. We were hearing horror stories and seeing them online of people agreeing and making agreements with like dealers, like car dealerships, and then they would journey across America to go pick up their NVs, only to find that they had sold them out from under them because somebody got there faster. We were not sure what we were gonna do. We were praying about it, and not only did God provide us one that is perfect for our family, it's a great color, it was a good price, and not only all of that, but it was even local to us. So we did not even have to leave our state. We only had to drive about, I think it was 4 hours which we live in Texas, so that doesn't take us out of the state. And it was a great thing. So we have had it now for a couple weeks. I am excited to share it with you guys. I'm just gonna kind of show you real quick because it's so exciting for us. Just kind of what we've got here. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. A lot of people are talking about the AC being a problem in the back. We're still gonna do the conversion, but it has not been a problem for our family. So here's kind of what it looks like, guys. It's a little dirty because we don't have, as you can see, like a driveway. We have dirt here, so it gets dirty fairly quickly, even though we literally just did clean it. So yeah, we're excited about it. I just want to share with you guys kind of our new journey. This is exciting for us. Let's see what we have here. Okay, we've just picked up feed from the feed store, so we have that. But I wanted to show you guys these hooks. They are amazing, and we can hang, like, I was really concerned about the small space for groceries, because you can tell that's not much space. We keep a case of water back there, but it's not much space. And I fit a ton of groceries in here, mostly just all in the back just recently, almost $300 worth. And we got these hooks. Some of them came with the vehicle, some we bought after we got it. And we can hang a multitude of grocery bags straight across there, several on each hook, and then across the bottom there, of course. And it actually is more spacious than you thought. So that is a super, super good blessing. That's my daughter's church bag. It's got her little mini Bible, my 3-year-old's. Okay. All right, guys, thanks for celebrating with us our new vehicle. We're so excited. This is kind of like the, I don't know, like the epitome of large families, right? To have a new vehicle that you can all fit in and everybody can ride together. It's just such a cool blessing. So I just wanted to share with you guys. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, you can stay and watch our journey. Like I said, I post videos on all kinds of things, homeschool, homestead, book related, all the things. So check out our other videos, and I will see you guys next time.